How's it going, guys? Joey Duca here from CSC Motorcycles, and in today's video we're going to run you through on how to change your oil on your SG and TT250. On the SG250 and TT250, which share the same engine, you are required to change your oil at your first 500-mile service and every 2,500 miles thereafter. Shortening your intervals and change your oil more frequently will help increase longevity. The engine has a 1.2 liter capacity, which can be checked on the right side of the engine with the sight glass window. I know this is a messy job, so having little things like gloves, cardboard, shop rags will help keep yourself and your work area clean. Tools needed: 17mm wrench or socket, 24mm wrench or socket, ratchet with short extension, small flat screwdriver, clean funnel, shop rags, drain pan, brake parts cleaner, eye protection, nitrile gloves, large piece of cardboard, 2 quarts of motorcycle-specific oil. Always use motorcycle-specific oil, which has a different additive package compared to automotive oil. Motorcycles generally rev higher and have engines that share the same oil with the clutch and the transmission. 10W40 is considered the standard motorcycle oil weight, but if you're not going to be riding your motorcycle in freezing temperatures, 2050 is also okay for extra protection. It is advisable you refrain from using synthetic oil for at least the first 1,000 miles. This will help ensure complete engine and transmission break-in. If you have an SG250, place your motorcycle on the center stand. Now, when you use your center stand, make sure that both legs are level with the ground. And while pulling up on the seat rail, push down hard on the center stand's lever with your right foot. Pull up and hard to the right, and your center stand will rock and lock into position. Place cardboard and drain pan under the engine. With a 17mm wrench or socket, carefully remove the drain bolt and crush washer. You may have to pick out the crush washer with a small screwdriver. While not required, it is recommended to replace the aluminum crush washer at least every other oil change. With a 24mm wrench or socket, remove the oil screen cap, spring, and oil screen. Clean the oil screen, spring, cap, and drain plug with solvent or brake parts cleaner. While not required, it is recommended to replace the O-ring at least every other oil change. With fresh oil, lube the cap O-ring mating surface on the engine. With a 24mm wrench or socket, install the oil screen, and oil cap with O-ring. After the oil finishes draining, with a 17mm wrench or socket, install the drain plug and crush washer. Unscrew the dipstick and using a clean funnel, Pour in 1 quart of oil and replace the dipstick. On the SG250, take your motorcycle off the center stand and place it on the side stand. Start and warm up the bike. Inspect for leaks. Turn off the bike and keep it balanced completely upright. Inspect the oil level and add until the level is at the top of the sight window. Properly dispose of used oil. Also, check out the tutorial in the service section of our website at cscmotorcycles.com. Now, I know it's a dirty job, but it's very important. And if done carefully, you won't spill a drop. Also, don't forget to check your oil level in between oil changes. Now, comment below on future videos you would like to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ride safe, and thank you for watching.